Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera level to straighten your shot on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. Now in settings, we go down and then tap on camera. Next, in here, scroll down to the composition section and tap on level. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on. And when that is on, and after that, when you are taking a picture with the camera, usually there is a line here at the center showing that your shot is straightened or not. So here, if we open up photos, you can see there is a line right there. This white line, when you turn your camera, when the camera is straight, it will show a straight line in yellow color. So that is how you can turn on or turn off camera line level on the iPhone 15 series. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.